Dangadi, one of the largest cities in far western Nepal, is a lively hub that blends combines culture and local hospitality. As a growing gateway to the Sudar Paschim region, it attracts travelers for both business and tourism. Each hotel here reflects the Bali vibe while catering to different travelers' needs, ensuring a memorable stay in this frontier city. The first one is Hotel Devotee. Hotel Devotee is a trusted choice for travelers who want reliable service and comfort. Rooms are spacious, clean, and well equipped with modern amenities like Wi Fi and air conditioning. Guests enjoy the buffet breakfast as well as the in house restaurant that serve both local and continental meals. Its central location makes it easy to reach transport hubs and local markets. The courteous staff ensures every stay is comfortable and stress free. The second one is Sitar Hotel and Restaurant PVT Ltd. Known for its polished service and quiet environment, Sitar Hotel offers soundproof rooms and comfortable bedding designed for restful stays. The on-site restaurant serves freshly prepared meals and there's a lounge for relaxed evenings. Guests appreciate the hotel's attention to detail, cleanliness, and modern facilities. Its slightly off-center location ensures peace while keeping the city easy accessible. The third one is Hotel Dinesh. Hotel Dinesh is well suited for business travelers, offering meeting space and dependable front desk support. Rooms are functional yet cozy, and facilities like laundry and learning store make it convenient for longer stays. Guests consistently mention the efficiency and professionalism of the staff. Its calm ambience make it both a practical and comfortable choice. The fourth one is Hotel Dev Inn. Hotel Dev Inn is a mid-range option popular among budget-conscious travelers. Rooms are simple but comfortable, providing essentials like Wi-Fi, clean bathrooms, and attentive room service. Guests appreciate its value for money and friendly staff. Its central location make it easy to explore this city without hassle. The hotel is ideal for short or budget-friendly trips. The fifth one is Hotel Jalsa. Hotel Jalsa offers dependable accommodations with the bonus of the rooftop terrace for panoramic city views. It has meeting facilities and 24-hour service, making it practical for both business and leisure travelers. The rooms are neat and comfortable, ensuring a pleasant stay. Many guests choose this hotel for its convenience and location in the city center. The next one is Hotel Sati. Hotel Sati is a family-friendly property known for its welcoming atmosphere. Rooms are spacious and kept clean, making it a dependable choice for longer stays. The staff are warm and attentive, always ready to assist with local recommendations. Guests enjoy the balance of comfort and affordability that the hotel provides. It's especially suitable for family trips or groups traveler. The next one is Hotel Hot Pot. Hotel Hot Pot offers a homely vibe with its modest accommodation and personalized service. Rooms are basic but clean, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. The staff treat guests like family, which adds to the charm of staying here. It's perfect for travelers who prioritize warmth and hospitality over luxury. The next one is the Rubes Hotel. The Rubes Hotel blends mid-range affordability with glam surroundings. Some rooms come with access to a small pool, offering a touch of luxury in this city. Guest praises the cleanliness, quiet environment, and professional service. It's a great option for those seeking more comfort while still staying within budget. The second last is Oya Hotel Holy Palace. As a part of well-known budget chain, this hotel offers clean, simple, and consistent rooms at an affordable rate. Its no-frill design makes it perfect for quick business trips or overnight stays. Guests choose it for predictability and easy of booking. While not luxurious, it delivers exactly what budget travelers need. The last one is Shalini Batika and Eco Resort. Located a little outside the main city, Shalini Batika offers a refreshing eco-friendly stay. The property is surrounded by greenery, creating a peaceful environment. Rooms combine rustic charm with modern comforts, making it a unique place to unwind. Guests appreciate the calm, garden like setting, easy, especially those seeking rest away from the busy city. Rangadi's hotel scene reflects the city's growing importance as both a commercial hub and a cultural gateway. From budget lodge to eco resort, each property offers something unique, whether you are its convenience, comfort, or tranquility.